Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today coming to you from, well, with, I should say, a lock. This is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Look at that key. It's pretty damn dope. And check out the bitting on it. Nice. A couple ones way up high there. Way up high. Anyway, this comes in from, let's see here. This is called Southern Pride by Crank. 425.18. Nice. Very cool. Let's see if we can't, the first time I messed with this one ever, pulled it out of the bag or whatnot. This one came in to me from Albert LaBelle. So I'll have to take a look and see if we can't get this sucker. Felt like it was off a 2. Ooh, nice movement there. That felt like it was off a 3. Like a nice rotation off a 4 and good movement. It's off a 1 and it looks like we got it. Sweet, man. Not bad for your first try on something, huh? So let's set that down. Oops. And we are going to use a pinning tray from South Pez. This guy sent me this little pinning tray here, so let's go ahead and, sorry I didn't zoom in before, but here we are. Alright, before I go ahead and open this up, I wanted to show you this new pinning kit. Not pinning kit, geez, what an idiot. This new screwdriver set that I got here. It's by iFixit. Or, yeah, iFixit. Very nice. Anyway, it's got magnets on the bottom, so it holds it together here real well. It's got a really nice handle, base that moves back and forth. And it's got perfect pins, bits, to go ahead and take this sucker apart. So let's go ahead and do that now. Yeah, do we have the key? We have the key, so let's go ahead and lock this back up. All right, use this key here. And what do? When we take a lock apart, we shim it. The shim will fit in there at least. Yep, and there it goes. It fits in there just fine. Very nice, very nice, very nice. And let's go ahead and push this guy through. Oh, not going to work with that guy. Let's go ahead and use the green one. There we go. Nice. It looks like a 5-pinner. There we go. And looks like every one of them need to be picked. That third one is a little high, but they all need to be picked. So anyway, let's go ahead and dump these out. Standard. Standard, spool, standard, and nothing on 6. And let's see here. Looks like there hasn't been any modifications done to the core there. Let's go ahead and see what we have up in the Bible. It's like a standard. Very small ball type pin. A really long standard pin. Another standard. And a really nice like T-pin with a serration in it. So let's go ahead and see. Oh, there's no way there could be anything done to the Bible there. So we'll go ahead and set that guy there. So this again comes to us from Crank. It's called Southern Pride. number 10. And go ahead and show you the pins here. We have standards here, standard spool with a T-pin, it looks like. A little serration, standard. We have a standard one with a ball on the end of it, standard, and a T-pin with a serration in it. Very nice work, man. Very, very nice. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Again, this is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.